pleasure to announce the bride and groom's first dance. But just before that, okay, I'd like to invite the main man on his wedding day to come forward. He's going to say a couple of words, okay? So, sare jane dhyan de naal sunio, please give a big, massive round of applause to Rahul Ahir, please. Inna waste jo de naal taaliyan do lafz kehne chahte hain, so dhyan de naal sunio, please. Thank you.
Hello, hello, 1 2 1 2. Okay, ladies and gents, things like this. But first of all, I just want to say thank you to everybody for coming here today and making this a special day for me. I want to also say thank you to my parents, mom and dad. Without you guys, obviously we wouldn't be here today. Also my grandparents from India, Baba and Dadiji. And my boy from India as well. All my family have come here today. I want to say a big thank you to everybody here today. So ladies and gents, I am now a married man. I've been waiting for this day for so long, and I'm so happy to have found someone as special and as beautiful as Sangeeta. So ladies and gents, can we please have a round of applause for my wife, Mrs. Ahir. But before I invite you onto the dance floor, I also want to say thank you very much to my new parents, mom and dad. Thank you so much for bringing Sangeeta into my life. Today is our wedding day. So for our first dance, I'd like to invite Sangeeta, please. And I'd like to start the show off with us two. Right, ladies and gents. This is a song that we have actually chosen ourselves. Listened to it many a times in the car driving around. She says to me, I'll sing this bit and you'll sing that bit. Right, ladies and gents. Sangeeta, thank you for making me the happiest man alive. I love you. Thank you, ladies and gents.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please give them a massive round of applause. Rahul and Sangeeta, ladies and gentlemen, it is the 1st of September 2012. My name is Neil Mendes of Mendes Entertainment, and I'm proud to present to you the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Ahir. Ladies and gentlemen, once again we represent to you the brand new Weds, the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Ahir Sarıcı'nın Jordan Altali, please, a big round of applause for Rolly and Sang. Are you ready to party?
Check this out. In a few moments, you will have an experience which will seem completely real.